no yabona namhlanje just ukuthi lama chance lanke singawa convectanga ukukhombisa uSaturday soyenzani then ya namhlanje igame isigijimile amajita ora sharp yonke into ivaye sharp obvious 3 points esigodini like even like
Standard.
like wow like alright ke le kule stadium lesabaqaba lesesinye abola mthuthu alright unumber 9 obvious number yabo ayithola asibayeke singakhulumi bazosikhuluma kakhulu but Fafanda amajita agijimile akuna ukuthi kanjani then but igame esibheka kulo ya Saturday igame ya Saturday i1 zi3 izinto kumele zenzeka is either we double the score ukuthi abashaye ngaso or bazokhetha semarumo or se Golden Arrows angazi ukuthi angithola
Angitholi bhakane labo
alright eCongo abasidlanga basirobhe 3-0 angithi is either si double le 3-0 or bakhetha marumo which is 8-1 or bakhetha Golden Arrows which is 7-1 bazozikhethela ukuthi bona bafunani
Thank you bhakane